Good morning, students. Today I will continue in the geometry unit number 4, understanding quadrilaterals. See, first unit, diagonal. A line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is called a diagonal. It means, suppose if you take S is the point, if you connect to R, it means 1 by 1, it becomes consecutive, means 1 by 1 after the other. Here given as non-consecutive means if you want to connect 2 points from S, at that time take S as first point, leave R, after that take third point Q, connect these two. This is called diagonal. Overall, diagonal means a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is called a diagonal. PQRS, it is a quadrilateral. Quadri means it contains 4 sides. How many diagonals are there? SQ and PR, means 2 diagonals, PR and SQ. Next one is interior and exterior of a closed curve. See these two figures. This is the example for interior and this is for exterior. In this diagram, inner part is shaded. If in a figure, inner part is shaded, at that time that is called as what? Interior of a closed curve. But in this one, outside part is shaded, that's why this is called as what? Exterior. Interior means inside one, exterior means outside one. Next one, convex and concave polygons. In that first one, convex polygon, the polygons which have all the diagonals inside the figure. If the diagonals in a figure or polygon, if they are inside the figure, at that time that is called as what? Convex polygon. See this figure. This is the example of parallelogram. Here 2 diagonals are there. These 2 diagonals are inside the figure. That's why this is the example for convex polygon. Second one, concave polygon. The polygons which have some of its diagonals outside the figure. Here see this one, this is outside the figure, this is the diagonal outside the figure. That's why this is called as what? Concave polygon. This is the example for concave polygon. Next one, regular polygon. If the polygons are equilateral, equilateral means if all the sides of a polygon are equal. Equiangular means all the angles of a polygon are equal. At that time that polygon is called as what? Regular polygon. Regular polygon means all the sides are also equal, all the angles are also equal. See these two examples. One is the square and the one is the rectangle. Already I have known that in this one all the sides I have marked single marking. The single markings indicate that all the sides are equal in a square. All the sides are equal means this is equilateral. See this marking, this is the 90-degree angle marking. 4 90-degree angles are there, means all are equal in measure. That's why this is equiangular. Here polygons means square. that is equilateral and equiangular. That's why this is regular polygon. But see in rectangle, here single marking indicates that these two sides are equal, but double marking shows or indicates that these two are equal. All the four sides are not equal, that's why they are not equilateral, but all the angles are equal. It means in square it is equilateral and equiangular, all the sides and all the angles are equal, but in rectangle all the sides are not equal, only all the angles are equal. That's why this polygon is not a regular.